Hi guys, Andre here with another unboxing. This time it's the Philips Hue White and Color Ambience. It's a single bulb E27. You can also get them in packs. I actually have multiple Philips Hue light bulbs, but they are the older version, the one that only has Zigbee, but from 2020 onwards, Philips released a version that's also compatible with Bluetooth, so you don't need the Hue bridge to control them. Of course, if you have the bridge, you have some extra functionality, like syncing them with your TV, for example, with your computer. So yeah, let's see what's inside the box. I actually purchased this single bulb for one lamp that I wanted to give a little bit more ambience. It's near my PC. So yeah, let's see what's inside the box. As you can see, you can also use it in just white color with temperatures from 2000 to 6500 Kelvin. It's also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So of course it's a pretty simple box, but it keeps the light bulb safe, as it should be, because it's one of the most expensive light bulbs that you can get, at least for the E27 socket. So as you can see, it's written Hue White and Color on it, which means it's the RGB version. You can also see all the details here, the temperature, for example, and the power consumption. You can see the shape of it, it's pretty unique. All of the Philips E27 light bulbs look like this, even if you have just the Hue White. And yeah, it's pretty high quality, as it should be. I paid about 50 euros for one light bulb, which most people might consider it to be a little ridiculous, but trust me, they are really high quality, and they really change the ambience of your room or whatever environment you want to put them in. And they also last a lot. They are supposed to last like 10 years, being LEDs, so you're paying quite a premium now for them, but in a few years you might not really feel that investment. Okay guys, so let's put the bulb into the lamp and we'll set it up so you can see what you have to go through in order to make it work. It's an E27 socket. And so you have to download the Philips Hue Bluetooth app. There is also the normal Philips Hue app which works with the bridge, but if you just want to use it with Bluetooth and not Zigbee, you'll download this app. So after you install it, open it up and you'll have to set it up, so get started. And you're just gonna put your details in. You can also use a voice assistant, but I'm gonna choose not at the moment. And I'm gonna add light. So as you can see, when I turned on the light, it already saw it and it asked me to pair it. Now you'll have your lights here. You might have multiple lights. They will all show up here, even if they're not the same type. So you can also have lamps, standalone lamps. Okay, so when you click on it, you'll have the full control over the temperature. So from 2000 to 6500 Kelvin. And if you click here, you'll have the RGB part. And you'll also have the power here, how much you want it to light up. It is fairly bright. Now I'm at ISO 200. So that's why you might see the light, but if I raise it to like 400, you'll see how bright it is. And now to 800 and it's overexposed entirely. You also have scenes. You can create your own or you can use the ones provided by Philips. They'll show you like the color palette. You can also sync more lights with it. There's quite a lot of them. and they look so much better when you have multiple lights, because one light can only display one specific color. And for example, if you have this tropical twilight color palette, if you have more lights, then you can have a greater range of colors displayed, and it looks much better. But still, with only one light, it looks absolutely fantastic. So that's it for today, guys. So would I recommend the Philips Hue ecosystem? If you have the money, then certainly yes. It's a very nice addition to your home. It can really liven the place up. So if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.